Welcome to part 6 of the Cajon Building Process video series. I have the shell finished, I have the faceplates finished and fitted everything together. Now I need to get it ready for the finishing process, which involves a lot of sanding. All right, everything is sanded now and it's ready for finishing. Before I do that though, I'm gonna take the face plates back off and I'm gonna go ahead and install all the bracing for the snare system before I do the finish, because I'm gonna put another coat of shellac sealer on it. And I'm not just gonna do the outside of it, I'm also gonna do the inside of the drum, because as I've mentioned before, the wood is always bringing in moisture or giving off moisture depending on the humidity in its environment. And when it does that, it wants to move. And I want to mitigate that as much as possible. I'm going to mill the parts for the snare bracing from the same cherry that I made the shell from. I've got the snare bracing all set in the shell. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of shellac on the whole thing inside and out. Got a sealer coat of shellac on it. Let this dry overnight, and then I'll put the clear coats on. Everything has been sanded and wiped down with a tack cloth. Now it's time to spray the clear coats. Now I've sprayed all the clear coats and allowed them to cure for several days. All that's left now is to set the snares and do the final assembly. All right, it's all finished. Everything's put together, it's tuned up, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I've taken you all the way from the very beginning of choosing my materials through every step of the process to get to this point. And now there's only one thing left to do. Let's see what it sounds like.